So for this, you're gonna need some onions. This is about half a large onion, 2 garlic cloves, some salt, some pepper, chili powder, onion powder, black beans, and then I have tortillas that I made myself, but you could use store-bought. I just didn't have any store-bought, so I made them myself. And then olive oil with a skillet. This is my favorite skillet, but whatever skillet will do. So into my skillet, I'm gonna leave it on like medium heat, medium low, probably medium, I'm lying, just medium. You're gonna add in your onions, and you're gonna let these cook for a few minutes, just until they cook down. And then I'll meet you here so that I can show you what to do next. All right, my onions have cooked beautifully, a little crispier than I'd like, but I wasn't paying attention, to be honest with you. You're gonna add in your garlic. And you're gonna let this cook for about 60 seconds, just to cook the garlic taste down, I guess you'd wanna say. Just enough for it to get nice and fragrant and really just infuse your onion situation. Alrighty, so now we're gonna finish this off. I'm gonna add in our beans. And if you want, you can also mash them. I don't, because it doesn't bother me. But if you want, like, just to bite into a bean's a little rough, you know, you can go ahead and mash it. And then we're gonna season these. Nice sprinkling of salt. Some black pepper. Black pepper. Gonna do a little bit of onion powder, about half a teaspoon. And then our chili powder. And that I do about a teaspoon, but you can do more if you like it a little bit spicier. I can't take the kick. And then you're gonna let this cook for a few minutes, enough to get through, you know, the warmness to get through your beans, the flavors to kind of mesh together. And then you're gonna just, you're gonna make your tacos, and I'm not going to show you how to do that because everyone can stick a bean in a taco, so I'm going to leave that up to you. And yeah, this is just the filling. It's delicious, it's easy, it's a delicious, even if you have any sort of meat, you can add this, you know, to your meat because it's that delicious. But let this cook for a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can enjoy it with your taco. I hope you guys found this helpful. I love this recipe. It's really easy, it's delicious. It's a good meat alternative, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Before I let you go, I just wanted to show you how I kind of get my tortillas to be more pliable. Now these are already cooked, but I want to show you, like, what I do is I put them over an open flame for about 10 to 15 seconds. Just like so, and that makes them a little bit more pliable to work with. It also gives you a little bit of flavor. And then this is the finished product for the beans. It looks delicious and it smells even better.